Alright, folks, I know this is a little bit out of the ordinary here, but there was an awesome lightning storm come through the other night, and so I decided to film some of it. There's some really cool shots of some spider lightning and some really good cloud to ground with spider lightning coming off of a cloud to ground strike, and just some really good cloud to cloud shots in here. So I hope y'all enjoy this short video of this lightning that I made. This is just the highlights from about 40 minutes of recording, so it took me a little bit to edit this, but it's pretty cool, I have to say. Horizon. Where the storm, that's to the west, and it's about 9 o'clock right now. And this one right here is pretty awesome. Watch this, people. Heck yeah. Thank y'all for watching.